What's up, Funky Fresh Nation? I'm here in Raleigh, North Carolina, and we're about to go check out Funky Fresh Spring Rolls at Harris Teeter. Come roll with me. Harris Teeter, we made it! We got our buffalo chicken and kale, chicken club, and we got our sweet potato and black bean, which is yam good. To be able to see my product that started from my parents' kitchen all the way out in Harris Teeter is literally a dream come true, something I'm forever grateful for. They even got the ball guy on the back of the pack. Thank you for getting your roll on, and I hope to see you soon. Peace.